Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect waffle. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet components, you'll need 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. These precise measurements are key to achieving that ideal crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside texture we all love. Now let's talk about mixing. In one bowl, whisk your dry ingredients together for about 30 seconds to ensure they are well combined. In another bowl, gently whisk your eggs, milk, and melted butter until just blended. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula, mixing only until the flour streaks disappear. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing will make your waffles tough, so resist the urge to keep stirring. Preparing your waffle iron is crucial for success. Always preheat it fully. Most irons have an indicator light. Lightly brush the plates with a neutral oil or melted butter, even if it's nonstick, to guarantee easy release and extra crispiness. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron, depending on its size. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until steam stops escaping, and the waffle is beautifully golden brown and crisp. The best way to enjoy your perfect waffles is immediately after they come off the iron, while they're still warm and crisp. Top them with fresh berries, maple syrup, whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. If you're making a batch, you can keep them warm on a wire rack in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, patience is key. Don't open the iron too soon, and for an even crispier exterior, ensure your iron is very hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.